Hi everyone, welcome back to Let's Do Bonsai. I'm Scott Winard. Today is Saturday the 4th of September. It's about, what are we on? 8:30 in the morning. Today the bonsai area is getting a bit of an upgrade. We're going to upgrade the floor with some nice looking cobbles. So as you can see, the bonsai area has been emptied of all its trees in the front half, and what we've got are these lovely looking cobbles here, which we're going to create a nice floor in the bonsai area. So if we just go in and have a quick look, it's all been cleared, the staging's gone, everything's cleared out. We'll be putting a level of sand and cement on the floor and lifting those cobbles onto the floor for a nice cobbled floor finish, and then in between the cracks it'll be cemented in, and hopefully we can grow some nice moss and things in there. So we'll crack on with that because today's football day for Harry, so we'll get cracking on so that we can get Harry to football, bring him back, and then crack on some more. So the cobbles were delivered and we managed to get them around the side of the house here, and we've got this little pile left to go. It takes a while to get them up and down the stairs. I've been using a bucket and basically just placing 4 of them into a bucket and then taking the weight, taking a look at what's left and disappearing back down the stairs and dragging him all the way round to the cobble pile, which is there. So we'll keep going backwards and forwards until that nice little stack has gone. Only another 50 or so cobbles to go. So we'll leave the last few up there that are up there at the moment, because we've got so many around the side. I'm beginning to think that we're going to use most of them but not all of those, and the last thing I want to do is bring these 50 odd cobbles down only to have to take them back up again. So they can rest at the top, I can rest down here, and we can get on with the installation of the cobbles that are down here, and then as we need more I can come and get them. So we've got the first 2 lines of cobbles in place. beginning to look really nice and really good, I think. Pete's just having a check out of the situation, making sure everything comes up to spec. He's a bit happy with that, I think. So we're on 9:20, so we best crack on a little bit more because it's almost time to go and fetch Harry. So we've been cracking on. We've got some cuts to do, as you can see, but the 18-volt Bosch grinder with the diamond wheel in just doesn't seem to cut the mustard. I'll just show you that now. So this is the Bosch GWS 18-volt lithium with the diamond blade in, but as you can see the blade's quite thin for cutting through these cobblestones. So tomorrow we've got a still saw coming, and we'll be cutting the rest with a still saw and filling in a lot of these grooves, so tomorrow we'll be able to walk on it properly. Pete's just giving it a first inspection again, just to make sure that things are well. Pete, come on. Even you're wobbling, and Pete, come on. Out you come. Come on. So it's Sunday afternoon and we've pretty much finished laying all the cobbles in the bonsai area. These are going to look absolutely fantastic when they're all pointed up and bedded in, and when they get wet, etc. They're going to look absolutely brilliant. I'm so happy that we got them, and so happy that we've got them down. Brilliant. So that's going to do it for this part of the cobble series. Have a great rest of the day, make the most of it as always. If you do go outside, please wear a mask if you can. Be kind to others, animals and the planet, and as always, I'll see you again in the next one.